How to create a listing to sell on eBay. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with a step-by-step guide so that you can create up a listing and then sell an item on eBay. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. For that we can sign in into our eBay account and look out for the My eBay option and go to the selling section. Once we head over to the selling section, that should open up the space where we can list an item. Find this option called list an item and select it. And once we select the list an item option, we can select up an item that we would like to list. For example, something like this. You can even search for it and be more specific when you're searching with the item. That should obviously optimize your listing. After that, you can select up a brand. For example, I would like to select Apple and set up an iPhone. So we're going to select that. After that, we can continue the list. You can select up your capacitor, color, condition, and click on this option called continue to list. Now, once we've chosen the correct category, we need to upload a clear photo of the item. So you can upload it from your computer or wherever, and you need to add in a title and a description as well, what category it is and item specifics. Just go over and provide in all of the necessary details here. These as well the processor, RAM, features, SIM card slot, and many more. And also this description piece where you need to provide in a detailed description of your item and draft it. And after that, you also need to select pricing. So choose how you want to sell. Auction, which is buys better an item. You can select buy it now option as well. Instead, any of the option and set up the auction duration, starting bid, buy it now, and many more. And another one is very important, which is setting shipping details. So choose up a shipping detail and enter the shipping cost or select free shipping and even add handling time. After that, you can select your country of origin, preferences, etc. And just go and review it, check all of the details, and click on this option called listed to publish your listing. And that way you should be able to list the item. Good photos and a clear title helps your item appear higher in search results on eBay. So that's it everybody. You may follow this method for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.